What's up guys, it's Yappy. Today we're gonna be scuba diving underwater for river treasure. We're on the banks of the Santa Fe River and we've been here before, but on the other side at Jenny Springs. It is a few days after Memorial Day and there was literally 25,000 people that went down this river. So there's no telling what we're gonna be able to find today. Some of the tools that we're gonna be using today are obviously our mask and goggles, and we got the GoPro so that you guys will be able to come along with us underwater. We're gonna be using the big scuba rig so that we can stay underwater for literally 1 to 2 hours depending on how deep we are. And obviously the fins. So now we got to get all the gear on and get in the water. Let's do it.
All right, Jake, here we go. Justin, good luck. Jake, good luck. All right, here we go. That was crazy.
That was so much fun.
I was just riding you.
Not even 2 people because the thing's turning sideways, but that's fun.
I found a snapping turtle. Look at him, he's mad. Woo! That's freaking awesome. Look at this. Oh my God. This guy is huge. He's so mad. Look at him. He's gonna strike. Woo! Oh! I'm trying to get this leech off of you, buddy. I've never seen a snapping turtle in Jenny Springs. That's freaking awesome. He's so mad. I'm trying to get this leech off of him, but he's trying to bite me. Oh, I got it. Got a freaking nasty. Oh my God. Ew, that's so freaking gross. Come over here, buddy. Come over here, come over here. Freaking nasty. Oh, come back over here, come back over here. Got it off, buddy. That leech was trying to lock onto his shell. Thank God I got it off.
Look at this. Freaking caught him. A snapping turtle.
I got a leech off of you. You've been an awesome dude. I'll let you go, bud. See you later, man. Woo! Super cool. That's freaking awesome. Dude, he tore up my hand. It's all red right here and a bad cut right there. Ready? Let's do it. All right, we made it back to the boat with a cut up hand.
We just finished up an awesome treasure day scuba diving, and now we're gonna have a little bit of fun on the good old rope swing. Here we go.
Are you a tree climber?
Yes, sir.
Oh my god!
That's way better than last time.
He almost died.
Oh, my arm!
Which one did you hold? Which one was the bottom one that you hit
Dude,
the water?
I'm telling you, you gotta walk up there and keep going.
You gotta go up high.
Which one did you go to?
I don't remember.
You go do it.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's awesome. I mean, I gotta put on a show for Tristan.
I got it.
Says the one that scrapes the water as he goes across. What a show.
Oh no, listen, I didn't want to like show you guys my moves right off the bat.
So after a long day of searching the river with the boys, we're ending it on the rope swing. This is awesome.
Oh, there you go.
Alright, get over there, my boy.
You want this, you want that.
What would happen if we each did one? Hold up, we got copyright. Hold up, there's copyright. Hold up, cut the music. Cut the music. A bunch of girls singing.
Can y'all turn the music down? No music.
I don't like the way you're holding that rope, boy. Well, that's pretty good.
And I still did it!
You just gotta make sure you let go in the right time.
No!
Yeah.
What's up with the focus point of it?
Ready?
Hold up, I'm filming.
Ready?
Oh my gosh.
Ow, that rope hurts, bro.
What's up? I'm from the future.
Hands down. They're freaking awesome, dude.
Hey guys, you wanna go rope swing, bro? Alright, see you later.
Oh my god.
And they stay on. Waterproof.
Waterproof, bro.
Alright guys, we're ending the day just being goofballs, having a lot of fun, rope swinging, just hanging out in the water. Found some cool treasure, found a cool turtle, got the leech off the turtle. Everybody else found some really cool stuff. Jake's video, Kyle's video, Chris's video, they'll all be linked below. Check them out. Jake's peeing on me right now.
I got a camelback.
It's actually just water. But hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's been a long day. I love you guys. And as always.
Alright, this is Jake, the Almighty from the future. Took a look at Tristan's YouTube channel. Looked like he hit 1 million subs this year. Something crazy happened. Something crazy happened. Y'all subscribe to his channel. So definitely make that happen. It happened, well, I think.
Future Jake.
Future Jake out. I'll see y'all next time.
Yeah!
He's gonna have 1 million subs. Oh my gosh.
Dude, I love Future Jake. Where's Future Jake?
Wait, hold on. Future Jake.
No, I love you, Future Jake.
Hey,
Man, nice.
whoa,
Nice to
whoa,
meet you.
Wait. I got another feature. Future Jake is here again.
Future T here. With
Future Jake. We have some more predictions for you guys.
Alright. That's it.
Future.
No more.
Say future T.
I can predict the future.
The glasses do it.
The video is over. Now. Future T. This video is gonna end in 3, 2, 1. You thought. I told the future wrong, baby. If you guys want to subscribe, click right here. If you want to watch some more videos on the channel, click right here. Peace out from the future.